Today I am so much excited because I am going directly to the showroom to pick the car. It is not the first time that we are picking the car from the showroom, but it is so special because it's first in Kerala. Hello everyone, my name is Alisha and welcome to Ceramic Pro Kochi. Hope you all are doing well. So we will talk about this special car on our way to showroom. So just roll on. We are on our way to the showroom of French car brand who recently made an entry in India. The car which is uniquely styled. The car which is made in India, made for Indian by the wonderful team of Indian and French. So without keeping you in much doubt, let's clear it out. I am going to Citroen's showroom to pick up Kerala's first Citroen C5 Aircross. Finally we are at the showroom and I am extremely excited to see the first look of C5 Aircross. So just roll on into the showroom. So the wait is over. Here it is, the Citroen C5 Aircross. Citroen has made its entry in Indian car market with the launch of these SUVs, Citroen C5 Aircross. Citroen C5 Aircross claims to be the comfort class SUV. Finally, after all the formalities at Citroen's showroom, the customer has handed over his key to us. It's very wonderful and proud moment for us that customer has chosen Ceramic Pro for the protection of his car. So guys, we'll just move from here to Ceramic Pro Kochi. So guys, I am inside the car and we are heading towards Ceramic Pro Kochi. The C5 Aircross is full of goofy elements in its styling. It comes with 2-liter diesel engine which produces 175 bhp with 400 Nm torque. It comes with a sport mode as well as manual mode. C5 Aircross is at Ceramic Pro Kochi. It has excellent ride comfort and design that makes it stand out of the crowd. Everything in this beautiful car has put together to make it stylish.
The Citroen logo, which spans out to the DRL, and the split headlights cluster to the 𝐶𝐞𝐬𝐴𝑟 intake in the lower bumper and the side of the doors. It got a smart set of 18 inches alloys and the distinctive rear LED lights with their 4 rectangles. It has 2 advanced comfort seats and 3 independent rear seats.
This feature-loaded and stylish car is in the house for Ceramic Pro protection. We will protect each and every part of this beautiful car, including painted surfaces, plastic, alloys, glasses. And even we will protect the essential parts with a Kavaca instant peeling paint protection film. So just crack into our video and you will watch the full process of Ceramic Pro coating applications. So guys, let's start with our washing process where the real work starts. And I will catch you up at the end with a final look. Aircross is now protected against all kinds of environmental damages with the industry's best gloss on it. The surfaces of this wonderful car are now hydrophobic in nature. So guys, enjoy this apparent movement with the Citroen C5 Aircross, and I will catch you up with the next one.